Alrighty guys, we got a very exciting package that I have been waiting for all week. I was at work, package came, so we got it. We are putting Midpipes on the M4, so let's open this thing up. And wow, that is a lot of pipes. That is a lot. It's honestly super light, so this is going to be great weight reduction on the car. But we will be installing this end of this week, so we're going to fast forward to that. Alright guys, so we made it to the shop. We got the mid-pipe right here. We're back at RA Performance like we always come to. So we're actually gonna get the car in their shop in a few minutes and get it on the jack, and well, we're gonna start digging into this. So guys, you're gonna need an exhaust pipe cutter. So there's this like hand tool saw that you can use, and you just wrap it around the pipe, and you just start going back and forth, and it cuts it. So you are gonna have to cut. That's the only piece you have to cut off though. The rest is all clamps. All right guys, so what you wanna do is once you get back to the muffler, at this weld right here, if you wanna zoom in right there, we're gonna go 1.5 inches and mark it. Look at those muscles. Oh yeah. It's a workout button. All right guys, we're gonna see how accurate our cuts were. If you wanna come look at this, that is exactly 1.5 inches on both sides. We did a pretty good job, so glad that's over with. So now that the exhaust is cut, we're gonna start loosening the hangers and disconnecting the downpipes from the mid-pipes. So right now guys, we're taking off the first exhaust hanger. So we're gonna take all those off, and we're gonna leave this plate, because once all the hangers are off, it's gonna wanna drop. So this is gonna hold it for us, and that's gonna be the last brace, and then this whole thing should come off. Doesn't fit. No way. So this is the rear hanger. You got 2 of them on both sides. It's a 13mm bolt, and that looks like it's 8mm right there, that small one. Up front, it's 11mm. I'm not gonna. Well, there it is. There is the thing that's making my car quiet, sitting on the floor. So we've got the muffler hanging. We got all this space now, all opened up, and we're gonna assemble the mid pipes and do the whole process in reverse. Exhaust work or anything like this? say a lot, but we have from time to time.
But eventually, we're definitely gonna try to get a backpack.
Yeah, that will open up a lot more opportunity and everything. Rotation.
Money back.
Right?
Yeah.
Sweet. All right. All right, guys, just got the exhaust mounted back on the ground. I'm gonna start it up for the first time. That is so loud. That wraps up everything. It is so loud. I don't think camera's gonna do that justice, but that was really, really loud. My neighbors are gonna hate me, but tomorrow we're gonna get the GoPro in the car and we're gonna get some exhaust clips for you, and it's gonna really show you guys the difference in the new exhaust. So we'll see you tomorrow.